take it off.
Okay, let's go. Now that is some good vlog content, the couch.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Sunday day in the life, a get my together day. Today is the day that I go home for winter break, which is really exciting but also really sad. And I have a coffee in hand. I'm ready to deep clean our apartment, get my life together. Emma and Glenn are coming over in like 30 minutes to make sushi, so I gotta clean up the kitchen. And y'all can see Glenn again. I know he's been waiting for his second debut in the vlog, so get excited. We're gonna water our plants, unlike Liv.
No, I do water my plants. This one got an infection and it's dead, obviously.
I didn't know plants could get an infection. We also, oh, what are you?
Sorry, part of the spell off.
We also are taking down our Christmas tree today, which is kind of sad, but I need to take it home to keep it at home, and I want to set it up in my room at home. And apparently, we also need to vacuum like big time, and mop the floors. And I need to clean up my room, and I'm also maybe decluttering my closet while we're at it. Can't stop, won't stop. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Subscribe, and let's get cleaning and organizing.
Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
No hot water for me.
Just what you give me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you. My sister's here, my cousins too. My brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see. With all faded photos of family. Oh, Christmas tree, no, you don't mean a thing without the joy that surrounds you.
This is big
It's
picture.
Glenn.
I've been in it before.
Is
Not
that
enough.
good? Can you see each other?
Yeah. Just getting my nails done. Little
Me and the crew.
Cleaning intermission.
I'm the nail lady.
Show the sushi.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They're making sushi.
We're working on sushi over here. We've just cooked our rice and we put rice vinegar on it. We have to let it sit for a bit. We have some cucumber that's sliced. We have our ahi tuna back there. Oh yeah. This thing is crazy. Oh yeah, so we got the rice vinegar. We also have some mango and avocado. So we're making avocado rolls and spicy tuna.
Can't wait.
Alright guys, we have made significant progress cleaning. However, I still need to pack and I need to leave soon. So I'm going to quickly pack everything up. I'm mostly just kind of gonna throw things in some bags. Hope I have enough and hope I have what I need. I'm also gonna declutter my closet really quickly and just get rid of things I don't wear or use or like. And anything that I could like sell, I'll probably take back with me in a separate bag so that I can deal with that at home. But I just have been feeling like I have way too much stuff lately that I don't like. So figured I could go through it before I leave. It's like my 50-year-old mom would wear that. Literally. Oh, Meg!
You need more clothes.
I don't have very many clothes. Okay, it's fine.
This one I love, but it's beef.
Megan, that that has to get rid. You have to get rid of that. You can't wear that. You can't wear that. I'm sorry, that's embarrassing. You just stop spending money on alcohol and spend some new money on some. Like, I need her.
would say. Although like half of this and this bag are not coming back with me, so it's not horrible.
Lots and lots to do today. First off, I'm doing a bunch of returns to the post office because I couldn't do them the other day because it was closed because I'm stupid. I have a ton of just like little things to do today. Some are bigger than others, but I'm doing this errand combined with getting a free coffee at Dunkin' because I got a little notification on my app today. Then when I get back, I don't know what I'm going to do first, but I've been doing laundry. I need to clean up. I need to unpack. I also need to shoot off a bunch of emails, go through my inbox, wrap things up with jobs and some WUVA stuff because I end my 10 years president on Saturday, which is very exciting, but also I have to set up elections for the next exec and like coordinate all that stuff. Also in this video, two very exciting things that I wanted to feature were, one, my new iPhone unboxing. Oh my gosh, what? I've had this phone since senior year of high school, so I'm so excited to have a new phone, and it's the Pro 13 Max or whatever. So not only does it not have a home button, because I still have a home button, but it also has that like fancy wide angle camera. Like, I'm so excited. So that's going to be coming up in this video, as well as a Nordstrom rack haul because my dad and I went there yesterday, actually, there, IKEA, and then we also stopped by Quantico. My dad and I balled out a little bit at Nordstrom rack. It was kind of really fun. If you're new, make sure to subscribe down below. I kind of want to get back into that like weekly grind of like vlogging my week, even if the video doesn't end up having a ton of clips. Next semester is my last semester, so I want to have memories of that. So yeah, if you guys are new, subscribe, and let's get into my day. Let's go to Dunkin'. I love how I've waited like a full day and a half to get this on video, as if fully like gonna be a pretty anticlimactic unboxing, because number one, I just got my nails like taken off by Liv, so I have like no nails to do like the whatever the people do. So satisfying. Oh my god, she's gorgeous! Look at her. It is beautiful. Oh wait, it does come with a charger. It just doesn't have a block. Which, like, for the price that you're paying, you should get a freaking charger, but it's like the lightning cable, like this. Alright guys, this is massive. I have like the same size phone right now. It's over there charging. It's an 8 Plus. It's like the same size, but the screen on this is massive. Alright, you ready? The level of focus that just took, disgusting. Oh my god, she's so just like clear. Do you see that? Like, guys, I've been waiting so long for this. Also, I ordered this in like November and it just came. Also, I have no case. Oh my god. So I probably, rather than like re-downloading every app, I am gonna do this little quick start feature. So I'm gonna see if that actually works. While this is setting up, I'll explain why I got a new phone. The past couple years, I've like definitely wanted a new phone, and like the cameras are so great and I could write off my taxes. I'm like, okay, I really want one, but I didn't really like need one. Anyways, I didn't really need a new phone until recently, when I had a couple scary moments between when I was out and another time at a football game where my phone was at like, I would leave the house, it would be at 100% because I made sure it was charged, and I would get to my destination, it was a little bit colder out, the phone would literally just like die, which is really, really dangerous, especially at a place like a football game where I'm like pretty far away from my house, I'm alone, or I can't find my friends and I can't text them. So that was kind of scary. My dad was there actually for that, and so he's kind of like, oh, that's probably not the safest. And I was debating getting a new battery or a new phone, but my phone has been running super slowly. This is the 8 Plus, so it's like definitely pretty old. It also only has 64 gigabytes of storage, which I frequently clear out my apps, photos, etc., and it's just like it wasn't keeping up. And just like sometimes when I text people, it doesn't go through. There was a period where like I couldn't text anyone. Just a lot of things going on. So it got to the point where it was kind of like a safety thing, and I was like, okay, gonna get a new phone. So this phone has a home button. I also don't have Face ID, which I think is so cool. I also love how it all like goes up to the top here. All right, while these two are doing their magical little Apple things, I'm going to finish up editing the video that needs to go up today. Hopefully I'll have that exported by the time that this is done. Yeah, this is gonna take about 30 minutes. The video shouldn't take much more time than that because I need to export, upload, then I also need to do like all the SEO backend stuff, but that's not until that's done. So I'll get back to you guys. While my video is rendering and that's transferring, I'm going to start cleaning in here and unpacking because clearly I have a lot of stuff Mostly it's just clothes and stuff. This bag is all stuff I'm getting rid of. Isn't that crazy? These are all clothes, and then I'm getting rid of the bed risers. And I also want to set up my tree. Need to put everything away in my closet and my drawers and make my bed, do the whole bit. To clean up and set up the tree while that's transferring and my video is rendering. My video is now rendered, so I'm going to finish editing it. All that to say, I'm not going to decorate or fluff the tree right now because I just really don't want to. I'm just going to edit the video now, work on that, and then hopefully export and do all that very quickly. I've been sitting here editing my little video. First of all, how cute is this picture? Second of all, I love that I can tap my screen and it turns on. Third, I organized all my photos so that they're like in these little folders now, which is super helpful. So I have like fall 2021, TikToks that I want to make, pictures to edit, third year pictures, cute little sentimental things, old pictures, reference, etc. This is just like way easier than having a bunch of folders. And then here I have all the Instagrams that I want to do, which is fun. Just like a good way to store memories. So before the sun sets, I'm going to share with you guys some pieces that I got from Nordstrom Rack. This video is sponsored by Nordstrom Rack, actually. I'm just kidding, it's definitely not. Nordstrom Rack, if you would like to sponsor me, let me know. Hit a girl up. Like I mentioned earlier, I got 5 pieces, which literally never happens, and they were all super cutie shirts. I've had the realization lately that a bunch of my shirts are very overworn and a little gross, so needed to buy some new staples and high quality staples at that. First off, I got this cute little sweater that honestly looks like it's from like Free People or something. Looks like this, has the stripes, it's cropped, it's white, has holes in it. This is from Willow and Clay, and I got it in a size medium, and it was $24.97, so not bad at all. This with just like some light wash jeans or even black jeans, super cute. Then these tops are all kind of like could dress down for class or up for like a cutie little winter day. I got this little red sweater, cropped, super soft. It is so flattering, especially with like a tan in my hair color. I feel like it just like really hits different. It's from the brand Abound, and it was $19.97, so not bad. Just like super comfy and soft, but still pretty thin, which I like. I don't love sweaters to be too thick. This one is also from Abound. It's very flattering with the v-neck and also cropped. It looked really good with my yoga pants or even a pair of black leggings. I got this one in a size large as well, and this one was $24.97. I love this little like creamy beige color with my tan and my hair. It looked really good, and totally gonna wear this. It's super soft. My last kind of like sweater top is this one from French Connection, definitely on the nicer end, and it looks like similar to this one I've had from Marshalls for a while, which kind of spurred this whole thing because it's just like gross. It's just this white long sleeve sweater top, very basic. It was like 50 bucks, but I know I'm gonna wear this a ton, and it's such a good staple, and I can tell that it's like super high quality. And then the last top is from ASTR, the label. This one was $37. It's just this like square neck but like puffy shoulder top. I think I'm gonna wear this for New Year's Eve actually. Maybe with my leather pants. It just has these ruffles and these sparkles, if you guys can kind of see the light. Definitely gonna get a lot of good wear out of that. I think I also might wear it for Rush, depending. Feeling a lot more stocked up on clothes, and like I have clothes that actually are not so beat up as my other ones. Like the sweatshirt, I love it, wear it all the time. It is like raggedy AF, so probably what you get for paying $13 for a sweatshirt. So I'm now gonna do the one thing I've been avoiding all day, which is hanging Christmas lights. Hey vlog, it's me and my never featured BFF. Hello vlog. It's because we don't ever see each other. We're back and better than ever. Yeah, so we're just doing the Lord's work out here, trying to put the little lights up. You see that whole bin? They all have green lights. We need white lights because we have white poles on our front door. So we will have to go to Walmart or Target to figure that out. And by we, I mean me. Because someone has to do their D1 runner things and run, and I'll just be here looking pretty, putting up the Christmas lights. Then we're watching a Christmas movie tonight. Yeah, so cute.
Hello vlog, quick update. We're now going to Lowe's or Target and Best Buy. I need to get a cover for my phone and a birthday card for Mimi and some Christmas lights. We're making an errand, 2 of us. Woo!